Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got these two equilateral triangles. The blue one and the red one are fully confined in a rectangle ABCD, as you can see in this diagram. And moreover, these blue and red triangles are put together so that we get this angle X. And furthermore, this angle ADE is 23 degrees, whereas this angle BHG is 77 degrees. And now our task is to find this angle X. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. And here's our very first step. We know that both of these triangles, the blue triangle and this red triangle, are equilateral triangles. And now let's recall the crucial fact. The angles of an equilateral triangle are 60 degrees each. So therefore this angle is going to be 60 degrees. This angle is going to be 60 degrees. This angle is 60 degrees. Likewise, this angle is 60 degrees. This angle is 60 degrees. And finally, this angle is 60 degrees as well. And here's our next step. Let's focus on this yellow triangle JKL. And now let's recall the triangular sum theorem. According to this theorem, the sum of three interior angles in a triangle is always 180 degrees. So therefore, in this yellow triangle JKL, if we could calculate this angle JKL and we apply this triangle sum theorem, we can easily find the value of this angle X. So therefore, now our task is to calculate this angle JKL. And now we know that we are dealing with this rectangle ABCD. So therefore, this angle ADE is going to be 90 degrees. And here's our next step. Let's focus on this right triangle DAE. And now let's recall once again the triangle sum theorem. According to this theorem, the angles, the interior angles rather, this interior angle, this interior angle, and this interior angle, if we add them, that is going to give us 180 degrees. And we know this angle is our 90 degree angles. So 23 degrees plus 90 degrees is going to give us 113 degrees. And we are going to subtract this one from 180 degrees. So that is going to give us 67 degrees. So therefore, our this angle AED is going to be 67 degrees. And now let's recall the straight angle property. In other words, this whole angle is going to be 180 degrees. We know this angle is 67 degrees and this angle is 60 degrees. So therefore, this remaining angle has got to be 53 degrees. If we add all these three angles, that adds up to 180 degrees. And now we are going to apply this straight angle property on this angle as well. This whole angle is 180 degrees. And we know this is our 77 degrees and this is our 60 degrees. So therefore, this remaining angle has got to be 43 degrees. And now we are going to focus on this triangle EHK. And now let's recall once again the triangle sum theorem. The sum of three interior angles must be 180 degrees. So that means this angle plus this angle must be equal to 180 degrees. So therefore, we're going to add these two angles. 43 degrees plus 53 degrees is going to give us 96 degrees. And now we are going to subtract this angle from 180 degrees. So that is going to give us 84 degrees. So therefore this angle turns out to be 84 degrees. And now we can see that this angle and this angle, they are vertical angles and they are congruent. So therefore if this angle is 84 degrees, then this angle JKL is going to be 84 degrees as well. And here's our final step. Let's focus once again on this yellow triangle JKL. And now let's recall once again the triangle sum theorem. According to this theorem, the sum of all these three interiors angles must be equal to 180 degrees. So therefore I can write down angle X plus 60 degrees plus 84 degrees equals to 180 degrees. Let's simplify. So this is going to become X plus that is going to give us 144 degrees equals to 180 degrees. And now we are going to subtract 144 degrees from both sides to isolate X. This is gone. So therefore our X value turns out to be 36 degrees. Thus our angle X turns out to be 36 degrees. In other words, this angle X has got to be 36 degrees. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.